to its image or to its new position. All right. So that object is denoted, that this translation is denoted by T. All right, a capital T. So how to find the image of an object? We say object plus translation is equal to the image of that object. Object plus translation is equal to the image. Okay. For example, let's look at an example. Let's say we have a point. Let's start with a point. Let's say that I have a point. Let's create A. Point A. This point A has these coordinates 2, 4. All right. So this point, I'm going to use the translation to move this point to a new position. I use this point, all right, plus the given translation, then I'll be able to know the new position of that point. So I'll call this point as my object. Okay, then I'll use the translation, and in this case, my translation, which is T, is equal to 3 and 5. Okay, so I have the object and the translation, then I'll be able to find the image. So now how do I do that? So say object, which is 2 and 4, plus the translation, which is 3 and 5. With these two, I should be able to find the object or the new position of that object called image. The new position of this object is called image. All right. So how do I find that image? So that image should have an X and Y, those coordinates, X and Y. So if I'm to find the value of that X, I'm going to take all the corresponding, take all the corresponding, because this 2 is for the value of X in the X-axis, and that 3, it is the point in the X-axis, and that X. So I'll say 2 plus 3 is equal to X. Then I get the corresponding of the point in the Y. So it will be 4 plus 5 is equal to Y. All right. Then after that, I can say 2 plus 3 is 5. So 5 is equal to X. Then 4 plus 5, it is 9. So 9 is equal to Y. So I know my image for this point. For this object, I know where its image will be. All right. So my image, so I'll say A with that, which shows an image. It's not A complement, but A with that symbol. All right. So A is equal to 5 and 9. This is the image. The object is translation, then I'm